All right, guys, I'm glad to have you back here over here at RIVA Motorsports Marina the Keys. I wanted to go ahead and talk to you guys about this 195S, one of the great boats out there for a 19-footer model. This is actually the most luxurious out of all the 19-foot boats that we have, okay? So if you notice, this one's already gonna be coming equipped with some navigation lights opposed to the AR 195 or the 195SX, okay? Let's head inside and let's go ahead and take a look at this boat. So over here at this 195S, I wanted to go ahead and talk to you guys about the stern of this boat. Some of the great features that I love about it is that you can actually hang out right here in the back. You don't have an outboard motor getting in your way, so the kids can actually be safe and just go ahead and hang out by the water, dip their feet in, do whatever they need to get, basically have that fun and stay cool. Right here in the back as well, you're gonna have your boarding ladder, which you can just go ahead and lower it, get in there, make it a lot easier for you guys to hop on board, giving you that ability to just grab on and make it easier to hop in. Okay, one of the premium features you're going to notice on this 195S is going to be the control system for the speakers. That way you don't actually have to hop in like the AR 195 or the 195SX. Okay, so it makes it a lot easier for you. One of the things I love to mention is always going to be the flush out port. Okay, so this actually gives you access to be able to go ahead and take out any seaweed or anything that might get in there instead of having to hop off and basically grab it from underneath. Okay, let's go ahead and head inside. I want to go ahead and talk to you guys more about this boat. Before we get into the interior of the boat, I wanted to go ahead and talk to you about one of the key differences between the 190 and the 195 series. On the 195 series, you're going to be getting the SPHO model, which is going to be your high output supercharged motor. So that way, when you're out on the water, you're going to be getting that nice speed, being able to have fun while you're out on the water with your family and friends. Now, getting into the interior of this boat, you're gonna actually be getting some of the wraparound seating right here in the back. You're gonna get your nice premium cup holders, as well as the bracket for actual table that comes with the boat on the 195 series opposed to the 190, okay? Right over here, you actually have some hooks. This is actually gonna be for your cooler, so you're gonna have easy access to be able to go ahead and grab whatever you need, opposed to actually having to go and dig in for it, okay? I wanna take you guys up to the helm, and let's go ahead and take a look at this. So over here at the helm of this boat, you're actually gonna have your blower activation right there. You wanna make sure before you head into that water and go have fun, guys, you wanna get rid of those excess fumes. That way, before you get out there, you're not gonna have a problem going out on the water, all right? Moving on to the rest of the helm area, you're gonna notice you're gonna have the premium sound system controls that they have basically going on here, as well as their 7-inch display screen for the controls of the motors. You're gonna have your mounting for your phone, as well as some ports right over here to basically be able to charge whatever devices you have. You're gonna also have your courtesy lights, navigation lights, your docking lights, your bilge, as well as your horn. One of the great features that I love over here is you have control to your motor right over here on the side, as well as a nice armrest, so it gives you that premium control while you're out on the water with your family and friends. Another one of the great features about this boat right here is that you even have a bolster seating, so if for any reason you're out on the dock, you want to kind of get a better look while you're docking your boat or anything like that, you kind of have that excess seating so you can be able to look around while you're out there, okay? Another thing I wanted to go ahead and mention on this, opposed to the AR 195, you're actually going to be getting 2 captain's chairs instead of the whole bench around seating right over here. One of the great key features about this boat is you're going to have a lot of storage. So you're going to have a ski locker right down here to basically give you the opportunity to, put any life jackets, ropes, or anything like that you might need, as well as some ample storage right over here on the side as well, giving you all that room to basically have all the necessities you need stored away. So it gives you more space over here for family and friends. Now, I want to take you guys out to the bow of the boat and go ahead and show you a little more features, all right? Guys, I wanted to show you the bow of this boat, and man, do I love it. This is a nice, deep little boat right here. So you got that space that you need to basically be out with family and friends. Now, listen, I'm 5'9". I can go ahead and just lay right over here and enjoy the ride, hang on if I need to with the premium handlebars over here. One of the great features about the 195 is that you're also gonna have the nice filler cushion right here in the center. So this kind of creates itself into a little bit of a bed. So if you're out with mom, friends, kids, you can basically go ahead and change into any type of position right over here with all the wraparound cushions that you got, as well as the storage that you're going to have right underneath. This is going to help you out, just basically store more things that you need to go ahead and put in here. Now, on the AR 195 opposed to the 195S, you're going to have the premium nice matting, as well as the nice tower look that you're going to be having for the waking. That way, if you're out there with family and friends, if you want to go ahead and do a little bit of wakeboarding and have some fun, you can go ahead and do it. Now, I hope I can bring you guys over here to RIVA Motorsports Marina the Keys and get you out on the water.